Guys, when was the last time you did this? Look at this. Oh my God. When was the last time, guys, you soak your crackers in your Milo or your hot chocolate? I tell you, I grew up with a granny, and this is what I learned from granny. You eat in your piece of bread, you wet it in your tea, and I still do it to this day. I will sit and make a cup of Milo, guys, and I am eating a slice of hard-dough bread, and I dip it in the thing and enjoy it. Just slurp it. So here are my crackers. I'm making them soak. Didn't want any fried goods today. We have bami, we have stuff we could have fried up, but we didn't want fried food today. We could fry more dumplings. We have saltfish there. We could fry dumplings, but we just want to take it easy today because I'm going to be cooking a one-pot meal later for you guys, a small pot. And then in the evening, we're going to make rice and peas and for dinner. So Miss Bev is cooking, guys. I'm in the kitchen. I'm doing my thing, and I'm enjoying it because the atmosphere is such that you want to do it. And as I said, for those people who, I want them to know that Bev is here, but Bev is not here to be my helper. Bev is here on vacation. So all of we fix something, eat, we wash up with dishes, everybody is all hands on deck. So get that idea out your head. Miss Bev doesn't use people. Miss Bev support people, encourage and empower people. My hands are never too good. See, these hands are blessed. Very blessed. Let me show you this one with the M in the middle. See that M in the middle right there? See that M? So Miss Bev is blessed, guys. So don't stop the whispering and stop the wrong information. Don't give out wrong information. I enjoy doing what I do, and these 2 weeks are no different. So I'll be cooking again today after I enjoy my crackers once they get soft in this Milo right here. We have to go back to the store and get a few things, a few snack foods. All right, my people, so you enjoy your day, and if you dunk in your crackers or your bread in your tea like myself, just give me a laugh out loud moment in the comments, because for me, it's still with me after all these, how much years. It's a learned thing from Granny, and I still do it to this very day. Take it easy, my people. Much love always. Bye.